Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Over the next few days, the economic calendar will be filled with essential updates, including high-impact announcements and secondary data releases. These events could provide new insights into market direction and trading strategies. These upcoming releases are essential in understanding broader economic trends. Investors should keep their strategies aligned with the potential impacts these updates may have.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
AI startup Modular said it raised $250 million in a funding round, valuing it at $1.6 billion, as it aims to challenge NVIDIA's software stranglehold on the AI computing market. Britain's FTSE 100 closed higher, led by miners and defense stocks, while investors assessed corporate updates and measured comments by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. The benchmark, FTSE 100, reversed earlier losses to gain 0.3%. The digital euro, the European Union's long-planned central bank digital currency project, is facing delays. The EU's digital euro could become a reality in 2029, European Central Bank Executive Board member Piero Cipollone says.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro drop 0.6% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the pound fall 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.